In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use internal linking on WordPress.com. Internal linking is a powerful tool that not only improves your site's navigation, but also enhances SEO, helping search engines understand the structure of your website. So let's dive in and see how you can create effective internal links to optimize your WordPress site. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress.com account. If you're not already there, head to WordPress.com and click the login link at the top right-hand corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look out for the phrase WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website, and click on it to proceed. Now that you're on your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the My Site section. This is typically located on the top menu bar and serves as your central hub for all site administration. From here, you'll want to visit the dashboard page. Think of the dashboard as the command center where you control and customize your site's settings and structure. Within the dashboard, find and click on the Pages tab. This section is crucial as it houses all the pages present on your site. Following that, select All Pages to view a comprehensive list. Here's where you need to choose a specific page to which you want to add internal links. Click on that page to open it. Once inside the page editor, it's time to identify the spot where you'd like to insert your internal link. Position your cursor where it feels most natural and relevant to your content flow. After you have the spot in mind, look for the Edit button and click on it to enable changes to your page. With the page set to edit mode, we move to the important part. Locate and click on the little link icon in the toolbar above the text area. This icon looks like a chain link and is your key to creating hyperlinks. A small dialog box will appear. In this box, you'll be able to type or paste the URL of the page you wish to link to internally. Alternatively, you can search for content already available on your site by typing a keyword in the dialog box. Once you've entered the target URL or selected the internal page, click Add Link or Enter to insert the link into your content. To finalize, simply click Done to save changes and keep your link in place. This action effectively transforms your chosen text into a clickable link, making navigation easier for your audience and boosting your SEO efforts. And that's it. You've successfully created an internal link within your WordPress.com site. Remember, the key to mastering internal linking is strategic insertion, ensuring each link serves the user's intent while reinforcing your site's architecture. Keep practicing, and you'll navigate WordPress with ease in no time.